everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Gabriela from Freckly Faced on Instagram, and I am really happy you're here today watching this video. If you would like to check out more of my content, make sure to follow me on Instagram, and also do not forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future videos. In today's video, I am going to be unboxing with you my squad box that the Happy Planner sent me with all the fall 2020 release, and I am so excited to see what comes in this box because I have seen some amazing beautiful planners, but I haven't seen what comes in this box, so we will be seeing everything for the first time together. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. The first thing I would like to show you is this beautiful 12-month planner, and look at the details on the cover. It has a quote that says, "Leave a trail of magic everywhere you go," and it's in this lilac beautiful soft tone, and it's a horizontal layout. It has this plastic like gold disc, like rose gold discs, and I think it goes really well with the cover. Okay, so what we're gonna do is I'm going to show you first the planners, then the accessories, and then the sticker books. And here we have this gorgeous planner. I'm not sure, but I think it's called Linear Florals, and the colors, oh my god, look at the details. The flowers are on gold foil, and that's just really beautiful. It's a vertical layout, and it has these beautiful plastic rainbow discs. I am not a fan of plastic discs, but these ones just really go very well with the cover. Okay, here we have one of my favorite lines this year, and it's the Wellness Warrior Happy Planner Girl line, and this is the main planner of that collection. And there are 5 new Happy Planner Girls this year, but this one is absolutely my favorite with its soft tones, and it's a wellness layout. Here, find in the description box below all the links to purchase this planner after September the 3rd, and I will be linking in the eye here up for you the flip through of all the Wellness Warrior Happy Planner Girl collection. Okay, look at these metal discs. They are like green with a touch of gray. I don't know, I'm just really in love with this collection of the Wellness Warrior Happy Planner Girl. Okay, so let's move forward to our next planner, and here we have again another item from the Wellness Warrior collection. This one is a guided happy journal. It has 80 sheets, and it's just so soft and beautiful. It's as well from the Wellness Warrior Happy Planner Girl line, and you will find throughout the whole guided journal a lot of prompts so you can record and journal everything that you want. Okay, so find a detailed flip through of this guided journal as well in the other video that I will be linking up here for you. Let's move forward and let's see what else we have. We have another 12-month planner, and this one is called All the Feels. Let me just get it out. And it says in the cover, "Feel all the feels," and these emojis are just adorable. Yeah, let's feel all the feels. It's from 2021, January to December. And this layout, I'm not sure if it has a name. I'm really not familiar with it, but I will find out and I will let you know in the future. But I think it's as well from the recovery line. This recovery line is very deep, I would say, because it can help us overcome difficulties. And this one as well is from the recovery line. I am not really familiar with the recovery line. I have not flipped through this guided journal, but keep an eye out because I will be filming a detailed flip through of this guided journal as well. As you can see here, you will find some props so you can record how you're feeling and journal a lot. These guided journals have a lot of space so you can write down everything that you want and get it out of your mind and keep it in a beautiful journal. I mean, just look at this cover. It has gold foil details. And speaking of gold foil details, look at this. Another guided journal. This one's called Goals, and it has 80 sheets, and the cover, I'm already obsessed with it. I mean, look at this gold foil, and it's also a guided journal for you to record your goals, today tasks, write a positive daily reminder. I think this release has some very, very beautiful planners. Look at these little tiny stars with all the dots, and it says put your heart and soul. Look at the inside, so beautiful. Okay, you can see some things that I have in this box already, and I don't want you to see because I haven't seen it yet. So I'm gonna put this on over it, and let's keep on flipping through and having a look at all the planners. Okay, let me just move this away. And here we have another 12-month planner, and this one, it has 2020 on the front. And it's also a horizontal layout, and look at the discs. It has like a mix of color in the discs, and that's just so cute. And it also has a lot of gold foil in the cover. Okay, so let's move forward to our next planner, and this one, it's a mini 12-month planner, and in the front says live free. That's just beautiful. It gives me like a boho vibe, and it's horizontal layout, and it has some cute dainty little stars, and the cover, it also has gold foil details. It's from 2021, January to December, and all the planners that I've shown you here, they are all for next year, so you can buy in advance and be ready for the upcoming year. Okay, so let me just move these sticker books up here because we're almost finished with the planners. We just have 3 more here, and look at this planner. It's again from the Liner Floral Collection line, and then it's a 12-month planner like I already said, and it has this beautiful cover with like watercolor tones and on black and white, and look at the back, it's beautiful as well. And this one, it's a dashboard layout. It comes with gold discs, plastic discs, and it says find your happy. That's cute. Okay, so let's move forward to the next planner. This one, it's a mini planner, and it has metal black mini discs, and it's from the Wellness Happy Planner Girl line. And I'm just reminding you that I have a full flip through, a very detailed flip through of all this collection. But this mini planner, it's a wellness layout as well. I love the colors. I just can't get over how beautiful this line is, and it's my favorite from this release. It says it's very okay not to have it all figured out right now. How cute is that? Okay. We have here one skinny mini, and it's the last one of the planners. And this one says Wildflower, and it has silver foil. It also has silver mini plastic discs, and it's a horizontal layout. I love the mini flower just there. Liner flower. Okay, so that's it for the planners. Now we are going to move forward to the accessory packs and the extension packs. Here we have our first extension pack, and this one, it's a calendar extension pack, and it has 532 pieces, and on the front it says happy days ahead. And let's see what it comes with. This extension pack includes stickers, monthly calendar pages, and they are undated pages, and then we have some note paper. Now here also we have some monthly dividers and the calendar. So if you are on a budget, if you don't want to buy a full planner, you can just get an extension pack, put some discs that you already have, a front cover, and then you are good to go. Here we have some journals, and I love these journals. They come in a pack of 4, and it's such a wide variety of journals that you can choose from. But these ones in particular are so beautiful for the colors that they have. And I don't know what's it about, but this year I'm just so obsessed with these soft tones and pastel colors and flowers that I had to pick these. And then you can choose so many from the Happy Planner website, and they are very, very useful. Okay, so let's move forward, and here we have an accessory pack, and this one is from the Wellness Warrior Happy Planner Girl line, and I think accessory packs as well are very useful. Like I said before, you can just buy a cover, or you can use the cover that you had for the year before and create your own planner. This one comes with sticky notes, filler paper, dashboard, a bookmark, and then a sticker sheet. So you are good to go if you would like to create your own wellness planner. You can just buy this, and then that's it. Here we have another filler paper pack, and this one is holiday themed. Bring on the holiday cheers. And here we have on the border, this accessory pack comes in the border with these Christmas trees, and I find that just so adorable. In the front, it's a lined paper, and on the back is a dot grid. So you can make your own Christmas gift checklist, because it has like a checklist format, or you can write down your wish list or all the things that you need to do for Christmas and the holidays. It has 40 sheets, so it gives you plenty of room for that. Okay, here we have another filler paper pack, and this one again is from the Wellness Warrior line. And just a quick reminder, we have a flip through, very detailed flip through of this line, but quickly, this one has 4 different formats of filler paper, and the Wellness Warrior line is so useful for many different things, not only for tracking your mental health but also your wellness in general. And here we have, you guys, one of the products that I'm most excited about, and it's this beautiful Happy Planner Punch. It comes in white, and it also comes with Stephanie's signature, Plan a Happy Life, and it's from Stephanie's favorite collection. So if you would like to grab one, check out the description box below, because I'll be linking that as well so you can purchase it. It's so beautiful, and it comes in big, but you can punch all the formats. You can punch for the mini, you can punch for the classic, and also for the big. It's so beautiful, and the white color, it's my favorite. Okay, so let me just move some things around here so I can keep on showing you the filler paper packs that I received, and also a quick sneak peek of all the sticker books that I got. And keep an eye out, because I will be filming a detailed flip through of all the new sticker books from the fall release that I received. Okay, so have a look at this new filler paper pack that says contacts, and we have been asking the Happy Planner to come out with something that helps us create our own address book. And here we get this filler paper where we can just pull a cover from a skinny classic planner and write down all the contacts that we have, so we can all create our own address book. And it comes in these beautiful rainbow colors as well. Okay, so this new paper pack as well says I am perfect as I am, and as you can see, it's from the Wellness Warrior line. These soft tones are just adorable, and here it has these beautiful brush strokes in black. That's just the little details is what gets me every time, and it's from the Wellness Warrior Happy Planner line, and I adore this filler paper as well. I probably will need duplicates of these. So beautiful. Okay, moving forward, we have this skinny mini paper pack, and it has a checklist format, and then we have some dot grid paper that says do not forget, and on the border we get these earthy tone beautiful colors that are perfect for fall, because fall is just around the corner. And in the back it's a lined paper, so you can write down all your list, all the things that you have to do for fall. And let's move forward to these discs that I get. But before showing you the discs, I would like to show you this mini paper pad that I got, the sticker mini pad from the Wellness Warrior line, and it has a lot of colorful boxes, but in the same colors that the whole Wellness Warrior line. But let's show you the discs. These discs are in plastic, and they come in these bright beautiful colors. I received the smiley faces and the flowers, but there are also rainbows and crosses and so many beautiful discs. I am so happy the Happy Planner is switching things up in the discs, because the hearts are beautiful, but we could also use some new figures on the center of the discs. And me personally, I am obsessed with these ones, and I can't wait to start using them. Okay, so before we dive into the stickers that I received, I want to show you something that is just simply adorable. And let me just take off the disc so I can remove the box. And before removing the box, let me show you what I'm telling you about, and it's this amazing tote. I know that you have seen this tote before in like a champagne color, but look at this one in a navy blue fabric, and it says the Happy Planner here in like an engraved format, like says, oh my god, look at this, the Happy Planner. Oh, the logo is just looks so pretty in it. And I will be definitely filming a video on how I set this up. And me personally, I prefer this tone rather than the champagne color, just simply because it will look better on my craft room. And it has some polka dots on the inside. Look at this, that's just beautiful. And I have seen some people set up their totes when they have received them, and I can see that they are very, very spacious, that they can hold like sticker books and all the planners. And I am not sure how am I going to set up mine, but keep an eye out because I will be filming a video on how I do it. Okay, so let me just remove this cardboard box so I can show you the sticker books that I received. I am going to start by showing you this sticker book, and it's called All the Feels, and it has 775 pieces, and it's one of my favorites. And why? It's because me personally, I have so many mood swings throughout the day. I can wake up super motivated, and in the evening I can be like, oh, just screw this, you know what I mean? So this sticker book represents all that. It's like the sassy quotes sticker book, and you can just express yourself. Your planner is your outlet, and you can let go of whatever you're thinking, of whatever you're feeling, and this sticker book is perfect to represent that. And here we have the winter sticker book, and it's so beautiful. I mean, like, look at like this lost in the Santa hat, so adorable. And this dog in the Christmas lights, it's just so pretty. They went different with this sticker book in the winter light, because last year the sticker book that they released, it was more like blue, more like cold, but this one is more like, it has a lot of Santas, it has a lot of illustrations that represent perfectly the winter mood. As we can see here, the tones that they went for is like navy blues, and we can see here that we have some alphabets, and the tones are more like dark and not so cold like the sticker book from last year. So definitely this sticker book is different than the last sticker book release. I love it. I can't stop looking at it. It says cozy vibes, hello winter. Adorable. Okay, the next sticker book I have to show you, it says Merry and Bright, and I would say this one is like the official Christmas sticker book for this year, and this one is in mini size, but I would have to get the classic size because I do love mini sticker books, even though I plan on a classic planner, but I love mini sticker books because they are like so cute to add to your spreads. But I will also be needing the classic size, and this one has a lot of colorful boxes in like these dark green tones, and it has 635 pieces, so that's plenty of stickers for you to decorate your Christmas spreads, your Christmas wish lists, and all the things. As you can see in my voice, I'm so excited for the holidays. And speaking about holidays, here we have new Halloween stickers and also a new fall sticker book. And this sticker book, if you own the sticker book from last year, you can tell that this one is a bit different, and it's because of the colors that they've chosen for this sticker book. This sticker book has 513 pieces, and it's not mostly like illustrations, but also has a lot of colorful fall boxes for you to use in your planner. It has a lot of quotes, as you can see here, like cozy vibes and all that good stuff. It also has some alphabets for you to create your fall bucket list. As you can see here, there's so many cute illustrations as well on this sticker book. So if you are a fall fan, I would recommend you get the sticker book. And talking about the Halloween stickers, look at these cute ghosts. Aren't they just adorable? I am a fan of these sticker books and all the pumpkins that I don't know, oh my god, this is just too much for me. I mean, I'm a fan of the illustrations, but that's just too cute. Okay, moving on, we have the Wellness Warrior Collection stickers. We have the sticker pack, which I have a detailed flip through I mentioned before. So if you would like to watch that, just go through my YouTube channel, and I have a detailed flip through of this accessory book from the Wellness Warrior line. It has a lot of sticker books for you to recover from something that you would like to get past. And also we have a classic Wellness Warrior sticker book, and we also have the mini size as well. And the classic sticker books has 632 pieces, and the mini has 1038 pieces as well, and they are just so pretty in the soft tones, as you can see right here, and I'm probably sure you have seen these sticker books before, but if you haven't, they have a lot of trackers here. As you can see in the back, they have a lot of icons, they have a lot of positive, encouraging quotes. So if you're into that, I would recommend you get these sticker books as well, because they can help you so much to overcome situations that you would like to just forget. And here we have some more sticker books, all the sticker books that I just showed you then. And keep an eye out for my YouTube video where I'll be showing you a detailed flip through of all the goodies that I got from this quad box release. And I am so grateful that the Happy Planner has sent me all these goodies, and I am so grateful that you're here watching this video as well. So please do not forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future videos, and I really hope to see you on the next one. Bye.